Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have paint that I need to use up. And I'm going to use this 14 by 14 inch canvas and hopefully put some more colors into that. In the meantime, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with the background. I might put some sort of sky in here and make it into some sort of scape. Hey, cool. The paint is so liquidous because it's in the 90s today here. So no matter what I do, I better do it quickly. So let's grab something that'll come out of a bottle. Here we go. Fast, super fast. It's a pretty sky day. I'm going to use my leftover paint right on this edge right now, so I don't have to try again. That's funny because I think the colors in my base should probably be for a nightscape, but never mind. We're just going to live with it. Put those right there. Make sure there's no canvas showing, because sometimes I have trouble with that. I've mentioned that before now. Alright, that's going in the bucket. This right here is going to get a big shot of copper. And there are some pretty colors in there, it's just hard to tell. I used my shovel to scoop these colors out of the pan of colors they were in, and I should never have used it as a scraper because it made gray. These may be very surreal, and that's okay, because that happens. Surreal colors, maybe surreal shapes. It might be a stage 1, you can never tell. Stage 1 means I can do a stage 2, and I like that. Oops, that's in the sand. No, that's not where I wanted my spatula. Oh, there's more paint in here too. It looks like there's a lump of paint and some definite gray. I tried to do a black, white, magenta for the group 4th of July group effort. And I found out how mean I was to suggest that. It wasn't a good idea at all. Okay, I need an edge catcher. A small one is okay with me if I use part of it that already has those colors on it. And chances are very good, once I get this paint over here and rock the edge to let it spread and flow it across or up, that I'm going to let that puddle sit for a moment, and I'm going to add some other colors. If they'll come out. And I definitely am interested in having something surreal happen. So right there. Hard telling, not knowing what's coming next, I gotta say. Oh, do I want that? I kind of do. I love the purple with the blue. And maybe some gold. Why not? Well, there's the reason. Hey, it came out easily. That's amazing. Alright, a lot of times I like to tip things up before I tip them back. I don't have any paint on the top of the canvas, so that doesn't matter. Going a lot outside my usual colors and comfort zone. Making a puddle, rolling it down. I'm going to move it right down. Scrape it right across. Come right back into that again. And I'm going to let them go right down there. Scrape them right back up again. And I'm going to grab my OXO omelet turning spatula, take all of the paint right off my edge catcher. Put it right there. There are places on Earth that have these colors. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure I've seen almost everything on Instagram, and I save a lot of them. I recommend that, by the way. So let's just grab, I see this. I need something over there. I'm going to grab my edge catcher back because I'm going to have some paint flowing off of it. And I can take whatever I want off my edge catcher and put it right back in if I want to. And if I don't, I won't. Because it's looking kind of mucky. Yes, I just did that with my finger, for sure. And there's my mucky color. And there's my fingerprint at the top of the sky, darn. Okay, well, good enough, I got rid of that. So this is kind of simple, but kind of sleek. It could definitely have something else in it. I've got a spot of paint in my sky, so I'm thinking that I want a dark purple. Hello, come to me. There we are. A dark purple something up there. And then a lot of times, I've got some very messy skewers today. A lot of times just using a skewer is enough to mix the paint nicely. And we've got a really cool little, what am I looking for? Topography? That might be the word. Even so much so that I think I'm going to give myself one more lump. Especially since I had some canvas showing there. I've also got some canvas showing elsewhere. So that just looks like a bunch of really cool desert rocks to me. And I should show that to you and tell you right now that I do sell my artwork. There's over 88,000 of you subscribed. Welcome and thank you. If you are a supporter of the studio, thank you so much for all the contributions you've made over time to keep me painting. And if you'd like to become one, there is an exhibition video that shares with you what the monthly prizes are for those of you who decide that you'd like to contribute to help keep the studio rolling. And I really appreciate that and all your wonderful comments. And if you watch longer, you're contributing. Even if you can't contribute any other way, just being here is contribution enough. I see other colors under there and I really want to play. This could be bad. Or it could be okay. It's not bad. It's not great, it's not bad, it's not really anything. It does invite a skewer. And even though they're sort of slightly dull colors, I think that's the way to describe them. They also have some great shapes. I'm just going to torch. I'm going to show that to you guys. Would I had my torch? There it is. And they don't have to make sense. And good use of leftover paint, and I might do something else. I might go grab another canvas really quickly. I don't like it when I burn the paint. So if you want to buy a piece of artwork, my email address is under the Linktree link underneath the video, but you might want to ask me if it has any toasted spots, and I'll let you know. I love you guys, all of you, bar none. Thank you for being here. Don't stick your skewer in the paint after you've torched. That's a bad idea. Even though I do it, it's a bad idea. So Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are under the Linktree, along with Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and a good place to find today's video if you can't find it easily any other way. If you're subscribed, you might want to click notifications and click the bell, all notifications. If you watch longer, you help me out. Your thumbs up are very appreciated. Thank you so much when you give me thumbs up. I really love that about you. I told you I love your comments, and look for Teespring clothing under the video, all over print leggings and t-shirts, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more on Facebook, along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors. The first one has a Shop Now button that'll take you to FineArtAmericanPixels.com, also under the link tree. And the second one is a place, fans and collectors is a place where you can see the albums that I've edited stuff into. I don't like that there. I want some paint. Wait. If the paint's heavy enough, you can get away with a bunch of stuff. If it's too thin, you're going to burn it. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Anything I have forgotten, you will see in another video. Oh, that reminds me, I have over 1,400 videos. So if you go to my channel, not only can you see a shop there, you can see that there are playlists there. And if you look for them, you will find them organized by topic, genre, and the 100. And Facebook is having a reorganization. So I'm not exactly sure how that's going to be configured, but I'm pretty sure if I can fix it so you can find it, I will. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.